What's up people, Mr. D here. Today I'm going to unbox the craziest product, that is Rock Crawler RC Monster Truck. This is the craziest product I have been using from past 2 days. So I have unboxed it, have been using from past 2 days. I'm going to share my experience which I have been using. I have ordered green color but I have received blue color. No worries, that doesn't matter here. So before that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Watch this video till end, it will be more interesting. Without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, time to unbox this. Let's open. I've already opened it but I'm showing it officially. Here comes the beauty. It's so tiny to see but it's amazing to drive. After this we have one more box. Let's open that. And here we have a remote which is the shape of gun. Awesome look. And here we have right and left controller and forward backward controller. And backside we have to insert cells here. After this we have AA size cells for the remote and a rechargeable battery for the car. I'm going to insert AA cells for the remote now. This is how it looks. Okay, now the remote is ready. Let's get into the car. The main highlighting feature of this car is tire, which is amazing. And then we have spring over here which helps to bounce your car. If it falls from high also, no worries. No damage will happen to your car, as you can see in the sample. Let me insert the battery to this car now. There is a small port we have to insert to it, and then I will connect to it now. Yeah, done. I will close the panel now. Okay, let me turn on this beauty. After turning on, we can see the red and blue light. I have purchased this product from Flipkart for 1350 rupees. The link will be in the description, you can see that. Here you can control right and left. If you keep left, it will always go to your left. If you keep right, it will always go to your right. So now let me share my 2 days experience. In these 2 days I have played a lot in this car, and one disappointing feature in this car is it's the battery. Yes, we can play up to 20 minutes max. That's it. After that, not even a single minute you can play. You have to charge it for 1 hour and you have to play it for 20 minutes. This is quite disappointing thing. Except this one, the battery one, everything is superb. And this springs helps a lot to this car. You can see the sample. If you guys are looking to buy an RC, I recommend this to you guys to purchase this one. This is the best product I have been using from past 2 days. So if you are planning to purchase an RC, so this one suits you well. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If yes, make sure to like this video, drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe, hit the bell icon, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.